Imagine yourself on a busy construction site, or perhaps working in a tight space where heavy equipment operates. What single piece of personal protective equipment is non-negotiable for safeguarding your most vital asset, your head? Hard hats are absolutely crucial on many job sites, and the main difference between Type 1 and Type 2 hard hats lies in the primary direction of impact protection they provide. Simply put, Type 1 hard hats are designed to protect you from impacts to the top of your head, while Type 2 hard hats offer protection against impacts from the top, front, back, and sides. This distinction is rooted in the specific hazards workers face. Type 1 hard hats are built to withstand vertical impacts and penetration, thinking of scenarios where objects might fall directly from above. They meet the stringent requirements of standards like American National Standards Institute Z89.1, specifically for top impact. The shell and suspension system work together to dissipate the force of a blow to the crown of the head. Type 2 hard hats, on the other hand, offer a more comprehensive level of protection. They are engineered for both vertical and lateral impacts. This means they protect against objects striking from the side, front, or back, as well as the top. They also account for off-center impacts and the rotational forces that can occur during a glancing blow. The key to this enhanced protection often involves an inner foam liner that further absorbs energy from lateral impacts. When it comes to choosing the right hard hat, you will need to carefully assess your work environment and the specific hazards present. If the primary risk is falling debris from directly overhead, a Type 1 hard hat might suffice. However, if your work involves moving in confined spaces, working near moving machinery, or any situation where you could bump your head against objects or be struck from the side, a Type 2 hard hat provides a much greater margin of safety. Always check your employer's safety requirements and local regulations. Beyond just the impact type, it is also important to understand the role of the hard hat's suspension system. This internal webbing acts as a critical shock absorber, distributing the force of an impact across a larger area of your head and preventing the hard hat shell from directly contacting your skull. Proper fit, ensured by adjusting the suspension, is just as vital as the hard hat type. Additionally, many hard hats are rated for electrical protection, categorized as Class G for general use, Class E for electrical work, or Class C for conductive, which is a separate but equally important consideration. Understanding the fundamental differences between Type 1 and Type 2 hard hats empowers you to make an informed decision for your safety. By selecting the correct hard hat based on the potential impact risks in your workplace, you are taking a proactive step to ensure maximum head protection against a broader spectrum of potential injuries, allowing you to focus on the task at hand with greater confidence.